Hey guys, we're at Fieldays Mystery Creek. Lots of games going on, giveaways, such as Luba football. Here we go.
Yes! Goal! I just wanted to ask you, what's your favourite robot?
My favourite robot is the Luba 2X.
Okay, why is that your favourite robot?
They just always blow me away with what they can do and their capabilities.
Alright, that's sick. Alright, catch you in the next one when we're going to be playing Robot Soccer.
My favourite robot is the Luba Mini.
My favourite robot is the Luba 2X.
This is Daniel, and my favorite robot is Luba 2X.
My favourite robot is the Luba 2 10000X. Legend at 38 degrees, all-wheel drive, dual cutting discs, love it.
And for your indoor cleaning needs, we've brought along the narwhal range. And we've got some pretty cool prizes to give away. These socks, cool, eh?
What's your favourite robot?
Mine would be the Luba 2X.
Good choice.
And we're doing a little bit of robot racing tour. Check this out.
My favourite robot would be the Mini Yuka probably. The Yuka doesn't get enough love in my opinion. It's less famous than the Luba, but I absolutely love it and way underrated.
If you want to claim back your weekends, do more fishing, family, golfing, whatever it is, what are you doing? Get a Luba in your life. Come down to Fieldays. We'll see you there.